Intro level. Unit 1. Vocabulary. Nouns. Nouns name people, objects, ideas, and animals. All that exists is identified by a noun. Listen and repeat. Miss, Ms. Mr. Mrs. Book. Celebrity. Cell phone number. Class. Classmate. Email address. Female. Male. History. Home phone number. Name. Nickname. Phone number. Teacher. Work phone number. Personal pronouns. Singular. I. You. He. She. It. Plural. We. You. They. Let's practice. I. You. He. She. It. We. You. They. What? This. An adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun, such as sweet, red, or love. Possessive adjectives. Pronouns. My. Your. His. Her. Its. Our. Your. Their. Celebrity. First. Last. Married. Popular.
Single.
A verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. It forms the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as come, sleep, work. Verb be. Conjugation. I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb or a word group, expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. No. Yes. Not. Over there. Too. Also. An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object, or idea. The cat in the hat. A preposition is a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence. In my class. A conjunction is a word that joins, combines, or associates ideas in a sentence. And the dog and the cat are eating. Or, is it a pig or a cow? If you enjoyed this presentation, let us know.